Hi everyone. I am launching the estate sale income package. That's one of the questions a lot of people ask me about when they call me and say they're either in the industry already, starting out, growing their business, or thinking of buying somebody's business or something like that. And they're always like, what's the bottom line? How much can I make? So I have tried to speak with people one-on-one about this before, and I thought about when I was putting the package together, how am I going to address this? Because there's so many different things that will influence how much you actually make. So here's what I did. I put in the package 6 things that will affect your income as an estate seller. I talk about cash flow and expenses. I share my 5-year case study with charts of what I made for each of the last 5 years. So that I talk about my gross sales, and then I also share what all the expenses are so you can calculate and you can look at things. Advice and conclusions, I talk about my summary of my analysis of some different things, and also some of the mistakes that I've seen people made where maybe the way that they approach. I think that if you take a look at some of these things and really start planning around them, if you're not where you want to be, I do think that this can help you with taking a look at some of the things that maybe you haven't considered right now, at least from what I see when I talk to people. And then I include my free resources. There's a list of resources to help you out, and they're 100% free. So there's a list of resources to help you with, accounting, payroll, things like that. And then my profit worksheet is in there as a bonus for you. So it's a 15-page package covering all those different things. And we are also going to do on 10:30 Pacific time, 10:30 a.m. on February 26th, I'm going to do a Facebook Live webinar on my Estate Sale Coach page. And you can email me questions at lisa@estatesalecoach.com or put them in the comments on my blog page about this, or put them on my Facebook page on Estate Sale Coach Facebook. And let me know your questions, and we'll talk about them during that Facebook Live webinar. I'll try to answer all your questions. That's the same thing that I did for the contracts package. I had people that got the contracts webinar sent me their questions so I could go over things, and then I talked about, what was in my contract. So I'm going to model this on the same kind of method that I did for that package because it's really popular, and I've been trying to figure out a way that I can answer this question that addresses all the different factors involved. So this is one case study of an example of what you can make. I talk about how much I worked, how many hours I worked, etc. So take a look, and I hope you'll sign up for it, and I hope you'll join me on my Facebook Live webinar for this. And that's totally, you don't even have to order the package. You can just join me on Facebook, and we'll talk there. And then later, maybe you'll decide you want the package. So I just really want to help everybody actually answer these questions, and see you guys all succeed and have the estate selling life that you want and you deserve.